Welcome back. Now for each action, we're going to choose some specific automations that we want to happen with the individuals that get this message. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Automation, and we're doing this automation for this action. So by clicking Add Automation, you're going to have a dialog box to open. And now we're going to choose another trigger. So what we can do is we can say that if we have an individual that opens this message, we want something specific to happen if the individual opens the message. We can say we want something to happen if they click a link. What we're going to do is we're going to say we want something to happen if the individual opens a message. So then we have some choices. We can say we want the subscriber removed from a campaign, or we can add a specific tag. We can then write in the tag that we want the individual to be identified by. If the individual was already tagged, we could say that we want the individual removed from certain tags. So for example, if we assume then that when an individual opens an email, they move from dormant status to active status, we could remove this tag from that individual if we had already done it. But in this case, what we're just going to say is that when an individual opens the message, we're going to classify them as active, and we're going to click Apply. We can then add in a second automation. We can say that if the individual clicks a link in the message, we can then have them added with something specific. We can then say if the individual clicks a specific link, we can add a specific tag and then add the action. Now in this case, this tag is not going to be added because our message doesn't have links, but if it did have links, we could then add this tag for anyone that gets this message, opens it, and then clicks a specific link. So now that we've done our customization, we can save and exit, and we are ready then for editing and activation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.